In the heart of a lush green forest, where sunlight filtered through the leaves like golden dreams, lived four unlikely friends: a clever crow, a swift little mouse, a calm and quiet turtle, and a gentle deer. Though they were different in every way, size, speed, and voice, their bond was unbreakable. Every morning they played, every evening they shared laughter that echoed through the woods. One day, while the crow was soaring through the trees looking for food, it saw something that froze its heart. The deer, its dearest friend, had fallen into a hunter's trap. The deer lay there, helpless and trembling, eyes full of fear and desperation. Without a second of hesitation, the crow swooped down and whispered gently, "Don't be afraid, my friend. We're in this together. As long as we stand side by side, nothing can break us. I'll go find Mouse. He'll chew through this trap in no time." And with that promise, the crow flew off at lightning speed. Soon, the crow returned, carrying the mouse in its claws. The brave little mouse didn't waste a moment. It dashed to the trap and started gnawing at the ropes with all its strength. Meanwhile, the turtle, who had heard what happened, had already begun its slow but determined journey to the scene. But danger was closing in. The hunter was approaching, bow in hand, his footsteps getting louder. Mouse worked furiously. The deer trembled. The crow circled above, and the turtle kept crawling, breath steady, heart full of hope. At last, just as the hunter stepped into the clearing, Mouse bit through the final strand. The trap snapped open. The deer bolted into the forest. Crow soared high into the sky. Mouse vanished into a hole beneath the ground. But the turtle was too slow. The hunter saw it. He bent down and picked up the poor creature. The turtle was caught. From the bushes, 3 pairs of eyes watched, filled with dread, but also with determination. They would not leave their friend behind. Then Mouse spoke, calmly and with conviction. "We're going to save him, but we'll need to work as one." He turned to Deer. "You're fast. Run to the lake and lie down near the water. Pretend to be dead. Crow, land on him and act like you're pecking at his flesh. The hunter's greed will lead him right to you. When he comes, he'll drop the turtle thinking you've found a bigger prize. That's when I'll cut the rope and set him free. Turtle will dive into the water, and we all vanish before the hunter knows what happened." It was a risky plan, but true friends don't think twice when one of their own is in trouble. They each took their place. Deer lay beside the lake, lifeless like a fallen leaf. Crow landed on his back, flapping and pecking, playing the perfect role. When the hunter saw the scene, greed filled his eyes. He placed the turtle on the ground and rushed toward the dead deer. That was all they needed. Mouse rushed out, chewed the rope, and set Turtle free. Turtle crawled swiftly into the lake. The moment the hunter got close, Deer sprang to his feet and darted away. Crow took to the sky. Mouse disappeared into the bushes. The hunter stood there, stunned. Had he just seen a dead deer come back to life? Had the turtle vanished into thin air? He scratched his head and returned home empty-handed, never understanding the magic he had just witnessed. And the 4 friends? They found each other again in the forest clearing, smiling through tears, stronger than ever. They didn't just survive that day. They proved that loyalty, courage, and unity can defeat even the sharpest of arrows. In a world that often values strength and speed, never underestimate the power of loyalty and love. Real friendship means standing together, even in danger. When hearts unite with purpose, no trap is too tight, no hunter too strong, and no path too impossible.